wait.
You annoying, stop. What's up, people gang? It's your girl, Sean Money. We are back with another video, guys. As you can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing an interesting, very fun, cool, challenging video.
Let me know.
This boy here.
It keep changing, you'll see.
Yeah, because you keep walking up and down.
I'm meant to move her down.
Leave it alone.
I'm not touching.
Stop messing with the camera. But you messing with it.
Look upon the thing next straight.
Stop looking upon it then.
So when you look upon the ground?
Yeah.
Alright, look upon the ground.
Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the TikTok dance challenge video. We have been seeing this video go across YouTube for so long. We decided to go ahead and reenact all these dances. We only doing 3, guys, because we cannot dance at all.
No.
Like,
trust me, them
we can't dance.
Them 3 gonna take a long ass time.
It really is. This video probably be 30 minutes because we're trying out one dance. Without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video because we are very excited and very ready. We have the videos here on our computer. We're gonna put the videos in this video so you will see what we're doing and everything. But I'm pretty sure y'all know which which dance moves we're gonna be doing or whatever. So yeah. Yes, I'm saying, babe. I'm running out of breath.
I know.
I'm out of breath.
That's what I'm trying to know.
Go ahead, like this video. Also subscribe to our channel to see more and more bangers this year, guys. We coming for y'all. 2020, we coming.
Yes,
what else, babe?
Let's jump in this video.
Let's jump.
I'm not talking. You want me to skibado up? No, I'm skibado up. You asking me a question?
Because you gotta say something.
Because you gotta say something too.
Anyways, let's get straight to this video. Come on, babe. We're about to do the first dance move, guys.
What the hell?
That's what you do.
What kind of video is that?
Okay, replay it. We're gonna watch it first and then we're going to do it.
Boy, I can't keep switching brightness.
Cause babe.
Oh shit.
Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Oh, we gotta come with this one like this, babe. Get serious, bitch. I'm trying to learn this stuff. Okay. The other one, babe.
Shit.
That one. I wanted to keep playing though. Okay, so we looked at the video, right, guys? So we're gonna go to YouTube right now. We're gonna play the song, the actual song.
Come on.
Go, babe. Let's go. 1, dun.
Bro, I messed up for every single time, bro.
Okay.
Nigga, you ain't switch your feet, nigga.
Wait, because they did it differently. Come on.
Ah! Bro,
Okay.
See, I'm going to do faster than you, so.
You are going faster than me. Okay, so when we come this way, we gotta come back and hit this way.
Like this?
No, baby, the other way. That's what I'm telling you.
Like this?
Yes.
I'm back then.
No.
Man, what the hell?
Look. Okay, look, we gotta come and hit.
Guys, I never did this TikTok dance crap ever, man.
Look. We gotta come, like, hop. Come on,
Like
baby.
this? Boy, I gotta come over this side, huh? Like,
No, I come this side, because
So,
we have to
I gotta
connect
do
this
this
foot back.
which foot back?
This one.
This one?
Yes. And as soon as we hop, hit.
Right.
No, baby, the other way. Put that foot behind you. Hop, hit. Hop, hit. Hop, hit. There you go, boo.
Okay.
Ow! Stop!
Bro, we ain't gonna get this dance right. We're not gonna get this dance.
Boom. Boom. 1, 2, 3, switch. Boom, boom, boom. You keep going this way.
Yeah, I keep going that way.
This shit complicated as hell.
Let me go to the next one. I gotta get that one.
Oh! I got it. Boo. Boo. Boo.
Okay, we go to the next one. Next one.
We're going to the next one, y'all.
Next one.
I kind of got half of it, but I don't have the other part because we can't get to jump out, jump back in, you know what I mean? Alright guys, oh Lord, I'm tired.
Next one, come on.
CEE through, what all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s, fucking around with me. You see I'm hot, I'm 500 degrees. Heard he caught a body, but that does not.
Man, I ain't know where to start with that one.
Okay, what's the name of the song?
What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s, fucking around with me. You see I'm hot, I'm 500.
That's a girl.
Gay!
Man, okay, we about to do it.
I can't get that one. I ain't getting none of this, man. It's an epic fail for me.
This is funny.
What all do you want from me? ARs and
Y'all look this man.
fucking around with me. You see I'm hot.
Okay, Doc. Hey, 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 hey,
Shut your way, so.
hey.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. You go slow at first. Shit. Oh, that was cool. 2, 2, 3. Okay, babe. Okay, I'm gonna show Javon how to do it because I kind of got it. Come on, you ready? So you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Got it?
What?
Come on. So you go scoot up some so you can got some room. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Back, down, back, side, front, down. All right, let's get it. 1, 2, 1, 2,
That
side.
nigga's gonna find something wrong.
Babe, no, cause I'm saying you could go slow right now. Go fast. Ready? You go slow, babe. Don't watch them. 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. No.
I ain't gonna do this. They're going too fast.
Go.
Do my own thing.
Okay, come on. Ready? Stand. Wait. Go. Stop yet.
Man, that's a wrap, bro.
I'm about to do it.
Man, you better go to the next one. That's a wrap for me.
Move, get out of my light.
Go to the next one. I ain't getting none of this crap. Man, go to the next video, man. Shoot.
Alright guys, he didn't get it, I got it, so we're gonna go to the next video.
It's an epic fail with me. I already know. Epic fail.
Alright, what's next? What's the next one? Oh, this is Millie Rock. Slow.
Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick pick it up, now go that. Pick it up, now hit them. Pick it up, now.
I'm not hitting folks. I'm not doing none of these dances, y'all.
Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up. Pick it up now.
What I'm doing?
Pick it up now, Millie.
No.
Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up now, hit them. Pick it up now. Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Millie.
Hey.
Now, Kodak.
Oh. Oh.
Now, Kodak. Pick it up now, hit them. Pick it up now.
Man, we can't dance. Oh my God.
Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up now, hit them. Pick it up now. Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Millie. Pick it up now, Kodak. Pick it up now, Kodak.
Go, baby.
Pick it up now.
I can't do
Man.
this shit. That's a wrap.
I'm about to do it. Hey, 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 get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Okay, baby, hype me up, hype me up.
Yeah, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Millie. Millie.
Babe, you must hype me up. That made me terrified. Alright guys, we are going to end the video right here. Our camera was overseeing us with no rhythm, so it just turned off on its own. So guys, we are going to end it right here. I hope you all enjoyed our reenacting TikTok dances challenge. We are tired. If y'all want us to do more, let us know which dance y'all want us to do. If y'all want to send us the video, y'all have our social media links in the description below. Send us a video, guys. This was very fun. We are very excited to do more of these type of videos. So yeah, babe, anything you have to say? You have the floor.
Y'all need a dance trainer, bro. I need a dance trainer, bro. I need a dance trainer right now. I need a sexy ass dance trainer. You got this video, man.
Peace.